저의 바닥해요.
네, 둘이만 틀리잖아. Now, can you please read out loud to everybody about your dream?
I dream to have a family. I dream to have a loving husband. I dream to have a big house in Kamesta. And also I dream to have a cow.
Okay. Chị hỏi cho ta thế nào chứ? Ta chỉ biết mà nó xin chi luôn à?
Olio Sifu Shinjiro Taki. 네 방구 부처님 제쳐.
Thật thì cái gì đó cũng sai cần nói như thế được không?
Yo, là tung một ta là con chẳng tư.
Lúc đây mua chiếc liền, một chiếc bao liền, nhà mình mua biển lâu.
Quay xuống thôi.
Ôi trời, cứ giờ tao liền sư chưa hả?
Yo, belum dapat kucing. Yang paling itu mau tahu, cuma pas akan bicara tahu mah.
You know, back then they courted differently. So much different from your generation now. Guys and girls would whisper to each other through the cracks in their bamboo house at night. But they did it secret from the parents. But that wasn't something your young did, though. You talked to your grandmother differently.
How?
You wrote to her.
Really?
Yes. Your great uncle Leah was the messenger, and your grandmother, she would write back every time. Sometimes, she would come and pick up Leah and would bring him something to eat. Through their letters, they learned about each other. They fell in love. At that time, your grandmother was going to school to become a nurse, so he would not see her so often. And then one day, he received a letter saying that they could no longer be together. And so he enlisted in the CIA secret army.
But Dad, I don't get it. Why did they break up?
She broke up with him because he was an orphan. And for being an orphan, he could not marry her. So he chose to enlist, to earn respect, and to become someone.
我现在都走过天幕，爱过万里小个故梦。
有路海走过，可以好高路线。我现在都走过天幕，爱过万里小个过梦。
可有的都爱古路茶，我古路内咖喱浓。
可有的都爱古路茶，我古路内咖喱浓。
大西古在日做梦，大里诺古嘛我现在懂。
大西古在日做梦，大里诺古嘛我现在懂。结果。不能够一笑，结果不够好诉你啊，爱恨都过，寂寞路中，走平路，容茶都苦。大西古在日做梦，大里诺古嘛我现在懂。
After that, he was shipped off to Thailand for training.